Welcome to the Pro Camera Cube installation video. If you've received a PRVKE backpack and need to install the Pro Camera Cube, you're in the right place. Start by opening the cube's main compartment and folding the door back behind itself. Then open the camera cube's side access door. This will make installing the cube much easier. Next, open the PRVKE's clamshell and its side access door, just like you did with the cube. To prepare the bag, make sure the internal shelf has been put in the lay flat position and it looks like this. If not, detach the Velcro from the horizontal shelf and unzip the hanging pocket side zippers. Next, unhook the Velcro strips from both sides of the bag. Finally, take the shelf, lay it flat against the bottom of the bag and attach it to the Velcro to keep it secure and out of the way. Your PRVKE pack is now ready for the Pro Camera Cube installation. Grab the cube and slide it into the bag. It should fit snugly. If not, you may have the wrong size. Secure the cube starting at the bottom. Unhook the Velcro tab marked S, M, or L, thread it through the D-ring at the base of the bag, and reattach it. Next, line up the cubes and bag's side access door and secure it in place using the Velcro built into the bag's side pocket. Then secure the loose zipper by wrapping the built-in Velcro collar around it to keep it out of the way. This will make it much easier to use the side access, keeping everything up and out of the way. Lastly, if you have the PRVKE V4, use the 2 additional Velcro stays along the left and right side of your bag to fully lock in your Pro Cube. Wrap them over the cube edge to keep everything secure and in place. That's it. Your WANDRD Pro Camera Cube is now installed and ready to be packed out.